All right, today we have an amazing recipe for you. We, or me?
I'm here.
Anyway, we are making popcorn chicken in the air fryer, and it is
aerate it, warm it up.
delicious. Takes like 5 minutes to cook and like 5 minutes to prepare. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 cup of egg whites, and a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2.5 cups of breadcrumbs, 1 pound of ground chicken. To start off, I'm going to get 3 bowls, and I'm going to put my dry ingredients in one, my wet ingredients in another, and then my breadcrumbs in the last one. So I'm gonna take all of my seasonings and my flour, and I'm gonna add them all to this bowl. So I've added all that, and I'm just going to whisk this together and combine it. And this will be what we're dipping our ground chicken into first. Then in the center bowl, I'm going to put our wet ingredients, which is just egg whites. And then for the third bowl, I'm going to be putting the breadcrumbs in. Okay, next I'm going to prepare the chicken balls.
I just don't get why you're saying it that way.
And put them on this tray. This is gonna get a little bit messy, but I'm excited. So, ew. I'm going to spray my hands with oil first, so my hands don't stick to this chicken. Yum. Then I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna use my wet hand. Ew. Ooh, this is gross, Emily. I don't know about this.
That one probably felt even more gross.
You know, there's a lot of different recipes online for this, but my inspiration comes from Counting Zacros on TikTok. A really cool guy, and he's based in Australia, and he makes a lot of macro-friendly recipes, so check him out. But this is similar to my chicken tender recipe. And you guys can check that one out too, if you're interested. That one's kind of easier, but because you don't have to like form these into little balls, you just kind of put the chicken into the mixture and then air fry it. 10 out of 10 though. I have a feeling this one's gonna end up tasting like that, but kind of be like more chicken nuggety. Awesome. Ew, it's like little brains. I don't know why they advised for 2.5 cups of breadcrumbs, because this, I probably could have used a 1/2 cup. Ta-da! You're gonna wanna get your air fryer.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Spray that. Then I'm going to grab my chicken balls
What? You're saying it weird.
and place them in here. It's like they're all friends and they're gonna go in the sauna together. Next, we're gonna put these boys in at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and flip them at the 5-minute mark. So these ended up only needing like 6 minutes to cook. These look like little donut holes of chicken. And I don't know how to feel about that. They sound crunchy though, and they look juicy. So that's good. I don't think they look very good. Ooh, there's a crumb on my forehead somewhere. Okay, so now we're gonna try these. And I wanna try one that's already a little cooled off. This is like exactly like a chicken nugget. Do you want to see it?
What is that? It's a tiny piece of paper.
Looks like a chicken nugget.
Wow, yeah, it looks exactly like a chicken nugget.
Crack the code, everyone. Crack the motherfucking code. I didn't think they'd be that good. Every single time I record a recipe, I'm like, I had no hope. They turned out really good though. I would eat these as a snack. They literally taste like McDonald's chicken nuggets. Like, if you like chicken nuggets, you'll love these and your kids will love them.
Nice.
And they take like 5 minutes in the air fryer. So if that doesn't convince you to make them, I don't know what will. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like. Thumbs up and like is the same thing, and I always say that. Subscribe, comment, and let me know what you want to see in next week's video.